NDTV's senior journalist and one of India's most loved primetime anchor has submitted his resignation. Ravish Kumar, a winner of the Raman Magsaysay Award, used to host a number of programs including the channel's flagship weekday show Hum Log, Ravish Ki Report, Desh Ki Baat and Primetime. Ravish Kumar's resignation comes a day after Pranoy Roy and Radhika Roy quit as the directors of the NDTV promoter company RRPR Holdings Private Limited. The senior executive editor at NDTV India put in his papers on Wednesday with immediate effect. Suparna Singh, President NDTV Group, said in the internal email that the resignation comes into effect immediately. Few journalists have impacted people as much as Ravish did. This reflects in the immense feedback about him, in the crowds he draws everywhere, in the prestigious awards and recognition he has received within India and internationally, and in his daily reports which champion the rights and needs of those who are underserved, read the mail. Ravish has been an integral part of NDTV for decades. His contribution has been immense and we know he will be successful as he embarks on a new beginning, the mail further read. The senior journalist's resignation comes after the news channel was acquired by the Adani Group and holds 29.18% stake in the news channel. Adani Group in August brought VCPL and sought to convert the warrants into shares. NDTV promoters initially opposed the move, saying that they were not consulted, but earlier this week relented and allowed the conversion, which gave VCPL a 99.5% stake in RRPR holding. Sudipta Bhattacharya, the Chief Technology Officer of Adani Group, Sanjay Pugalia, Senior Journalist and CEO of Adani's AMG Media Network, and journalist Senthil Sunia Chingalvarayan are taking over as the directors of the board, NDTV said in a regulatory filing on Tuesday night. Kumar joined New Delhi Television Network, NDTV, in 1996 and has been associated with its channels since. Kumar has been conferred twice with the Ramnath Goenka Excellence in Journalism Award, besides the Raman Magsaysay Award in 2019.